I'm Ron Connolly, one of the Executive Vice Presidents of Frontida BioPharm. I am responsible for business development, regulatory, and the alliances that we form with our clients. Frontida was founded in 2016 with the purchase of multiple sites in Philadelphia and Chicago area. All of these sites are able to produce billions of units of product, mainly oral dosage forms. And we wanted to build a company that can help companies go from concept to the marketplace. Frontida is the Greek word for caring. And caring has an important meaning to us because we understand that the products we make could save lives. We wanted to develop this company as a services business to help people who may not have manufacturing facilities, but have ideas that they want to bring to patients. Frontida is really engaged to develop products and bring them to the market with our clients. Our team is highly focused and flexible. So why don't you consider us for an upcoming project that you may have. We'll promise to give you a highly engaged team that is focused on delivering and bringing healthcare to the market.